Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the Eufy c120 with the Eufy e220 and what are the main differences. So first thing first, the camera resolution is both 2K. They're both easy to install. You're gonna have the AI there. Night vision is on both. On both you're gonna have Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa. Both got same storage. The water rating is not water resistant. I couldn't get it for the C120. Field of view is 125 compared to 360. So E220 is better in this regard. Two-way audio, yes. Motion detection, yes. AI features, you're gonna have better for E220. You're gonna have also the motion detection here and AI tracking. And that's like the most important things from it. So that I just wanted to share regards the specs. I hope it was a little bit helpful on which one is actually better and which one I recommend to use. And yeah, so thank you and have a great day and goodbye.